Michigan. I'm here to give you a quick run through of my CNC machine shop and the phase converter that I use to power my shop. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. Alright, we're inside my 30 by 50 pole barn. Take you over real quick to the phase converter so you can see my unit over there, and then I can take you over and show you the equipment that powers, so that way you can get a good idea of how things work in here. So back in 2015 I purchased a 40 horsepower unit. 40 horsepower unit will power a 20 horsepower machine. If you go to the website, it gives you a really good breakdown of the motors and the units that they have and what they will power and how many pieces of equipment and so on. All the information that you need there, how to wire it together, how to get things hooked up, what you need to do to troubleshoot any issues that you may have, numbers that you need to call as far as technical support, a couple of guys out there, really easy to get a hold of, able to help you, get you going back up and running if there's any issues whatsoever. I've got a 100 amp breaker that I run directly into my panel, and I've got the two different machines that I run into the main block, and I'm able to run both machines at 100% all day long without any issues. Maintains a really good frequency. The motor is super quiet. There isn't a lot of noise that comes from that, so I'm able to be over in my office and working on different projects, quotes, dealing with customers without having an interference of my motor being so loud that I can't hear what I'm doing. Once I fire up the motor, then I can come over here and I can fire up both my pieces of equipment. I've got a 10 horsepower CNC lathe, and I've got a 20 horsepower CNC mill. Both of those machines are powered by the phase converter because I have no resources out here in the country to be able to run direct three-phase, so I have to have the converter to be able to transfer that single phase over to a three-phase. And with the phase converter, I'm able to start a machine shop. Wasn't able to purchase equipment and start out in a bigger facility, and so starting out in a small pole barn gave me the opportunity to build the shop up at a smaller rate and in a more economical way for average guys like me to be able to pursue the dreams that they have to start their own machine shop. So that's my shop. That's what I use to power my shop, Phoenix Phase Converters. Great units. If I had any suggestions, just don't short yourself on power. Bump up to the 60. I wish I would have bumped up to the 60. Get your digital protection on your phase converter. Get the push button start. I know those are some extra options that you may think that aren't worth it, but I wish I would have done those things. And so, to give you a piece of advice, don't short yourself to be able to give you the opportunity to grow and expand your shop. Machine shops these days, we need manufacturing, and you're going to have an opportunity to build that into something that you probably weren't expecting. And so don't short yourself on power, and just make sure you look at all your different options before you do what you need to do. So good luck. Hope everything works out. Hope that my video gives some people some information that they needed, and that you get a good idea of how well Phoenix Phase Converters can work for you.